If you want to keep your air conditioning or refrigeration compressor safe, understanding subcooling for thermostatic expansion valves and superheat for fixed orifices is key. Okay, so first off, superheat is all about making sure only vapor gets into the compressor, no liquid that could mess things up. When you're working with a fixed orifice system, measure the temperature difference between the evaporator outlet and the refrigerant saturation point. That's your superheat. For systems with a thermostatic expansion valve, instead of superheat, you check subcooling by measuring how much the liquid refrigerant is cooled below its condensing temperature, which confirms the system is filled right. Always measure superheat at the suction line near the compressor to avoid liquid slugging. If superheat is too low, it means liquid might be slipping into the compressor. Bad news. High superheat means the evaporator isn't getting enough refrigerant, so it won't cool properly. Use a good quality digital thermometer and pressure gauge to get accurate readings. Don't forget to measure when the system is at steady state, meaning after it's been running for a bit, so your numbers aren't off. One of the biggest mistakes people make with subcooling and superheat is not measuring in the right spot. This throws off your whole reading and can lead to compressor damage. Fix that by always checking the suction line about 6 inches from the compressor for superheat. Another common issue is ignoring fluctuating temperatures, which can mean your system isn't steady and your readings are useless. Wait until things stabilize before measuring. Lastly, some folks forget to check for proper refrigerant charge altogether. Too much or too little refrigerant can wreck your compressor's health. Always verify charge levels using manufacturer specs or consult a pro if you're unsure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff with HVAC systems, so you don't have to stress about sketchy work. It also gives contractors a reliable way to connect with people needing their skills, making sure everyone wins when it comes to home projects.